Hi, I'm Georgia. Welcome to our Around the House series, and today we're in the bedroom.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play, play along. Come on and play along.
Okay, so here we are in a bedroom, all right? The sign for bed, you put your hands by your side of your head and kind of tilt your head down like you're going to go to sleep. The sign for bed. And so it was bed, and then this would be room. Now, so we have the bed, and on the bed we have pillows. So you're going to, again, tilt your head like you're holding a pillow, like it would be, your head would be on there. And it has a bedspread, so that you sign first bed. It's a two-part sign, bed, and then like pull it up, because that's what you would do with your bedspread. Okay? And beside the bed we have a lamp. The light shines down, so here we have our lamp, and then there's a little table here. It's kind of low, maybe hard to see, but there's a little table here. And we have a window. Remember the sign for window? We did that already earlier in the series, so we've got a window here. Okay, so over here we have the closet. And to sign for closet, you put one pointer finger up, and you're gonna, like you're hanging a hanger, you know, hanging your clothes on here. And there's a couple different signs for closet. Some are where you do close and then you do a door. But you pick, okay? So we could do this for closet, or we could do this one where you, like the hanger on the closet pole. And over here we have a dresser. So if dressers have drawers. So you take your hands, like you're pulling out the top drawer, and then you pull out the bottom drawer. This would be dresser. And up here we have a clock. So clock, you're going to tap your wrist like for time, and then you're going to like hang it on a wall. Okay, so clock. And we also have some pictures, because you know it's a bedroom. You want to put pictures of your family and friends. So you have one flat hand out here and one by your a C hand here by your eye, and you're going to come down to your hand. So like I'm seeing you. You know, you're a picture, but you're not really here, but I can see you as in this picture up here on the dresser. Okay, so let's review. This was bed and pillow. Then we have a bed spread, right? Lamp, like the light shining down. We have a clock. We have a dresser. We have the photographs, and we have the closet. And this is our bedroom. Okay, oh, and we had a window. Okay, can't forget the window. So please join us each week. We're going to do each room of the house, and so we'll see you next week.
Play, play, play along.